Hello, my friends, and welcome to day number 45 of our Think and Grow Rich 90-day challenge, where I take you by the hand and walk you step by step, showing you how you can apply the 13 principles of success from this book, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. So most people quit just 3 feet from gold, and they don't even know it. So today I'm going to share with you one of the most powerful stories in this book, Think and Grow Rich. The moment a little girl teaches a grown man that all of us, the true meaning of persistence. So you need to listen closely, because this story could be the thing that stops you from giving up right before your breakthrough. So, the story goes that this little girl went to her landlord, who had known for having a fierce temper, and her mom sent her to get 50 cents from him, and he said to her that he wasn't going to give it to her, and she just stood there and said yes sir, but she did not move. And the uncle approached her fiercely told her that he was going to take the switch to her, and she did not move, and she yelled at the top of her voice, "My mommy's got to have that 50 cent." And she ended up getting that 50 cent. And what is so powerful for this story, and why it matters to you as an entrepreneur, first of all, you're going to get no's, more no's, before you get yes, right? So if you take that no and you just give up, then you're going to lose. And secondly, you're going to experience so many setbacks and so many failures. And failure is it's temporary defeat, right? So it's only when you quit, when you fail. So if you, whatever it is that you're trying to do, success leaves clues. There's countless of people who have achieved it. So if they can do it, so can you. So as an entrepreneur, the lessons you can take from this girl is, when somebody says no, right, you keep going, as long as you know that what you have will benefit them, right? It's for the best, in the best interest. And you have to know when to stop, obviously. And then the other lesson that I learned from this is that persistence is a spiritual power. It's the energy that forces conditions around you to shift. So when you go out there as an entrepreneur, what energy are you bringing in, right? Are you just casually saying something, or are you saying it with emotion and passion and transferring that energy? Because selling is a transfer of emotions, transfer of feelings. If you're not passionate about what you have to offer, you're not going to be able to transfer that, right? And then the other lesson is that defeat just is temporary. Every person who succeeds in life goes through failure, and uses that failure as a stepping stone to success. And your breakthrough, most people's breakthrough comes just before the greatest defeat. So if you don't keep going, you'll never know, right? You could be just at the doorstep of achieving your goals. You could be 3 feet away, 3 days, 3 weeks. You could be 3 months away from actually achieving your goal, but you'll never know if you give up. So in business, this shows up in different ways. You could be my content is not performing, sales aren't converting, my audience isn't growing, and that's when people walk away. But it's those who persist that actually break through. So any of those influencers who have millions and thousands of followers, they went through exactly what you're going through, but the difference is they kept going. Okay, so that's the lessons that you can take from this. So what you need to do is think about, in your life, what one small action can you take every day that's going to help you achieve your goal? It could be creating content, could it be messaging people, could it be meditation? What one thing can you commit to persistently taking action? And what's the one thing that you need to do that in the future, that you know that you're stepping back, right? Somebody says, "Oh no, I'm not going to give you the 50 cents, just step back." What's that one area where that's showing up, where you need to step forward, okay? Where you need to actually push through, because that could be your moment way before the breakthrough. And then lastly, I want you to just declare this to yourself. I will persist until I succeed. This is a declaration that you can start saying to yourself whenever you're going through anything. You're just like, I will succeed and I will persist until I succeed. So this is using that auto-suggestion to rewire your subconscious mind. So let me know in the comments, right? What are your big takeaways from this video? If anything that I said resonated with you, because this resonates with me in so many ways. And if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever.